Kublai Pibaro, ni pedang subhai pitch kena YouTube kubor jengiu pet ngor cable news. Hashwa bingina phai shaki kubor ki babnia ana gajan miet ngina phashwa shaki mat bakong sam joko kubor menta katayo. Wanra menteri rangba eka kai phat jing toket eka sing sedang jong terbar senrai halor ka jing sya asiat yap uba cheris tefi thankio. Rai ke sarkar ban pentrekam ya ka CRPC bat ka CPC ha kejela. Lap ka IIT bakalam ka dom namar balakya shabapalat. Hadian hinyo posnem menjurulat ya ka landbill jong ka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council. Bampatiaw ka sarkar ka jing dawa ya ki kinohikai jong ka school Pine Mount. Bat ha kerensan internet pelat thup jing rai ka kaitor na Shillong. Ka sarkar jela ha ka sengi sedang jong ka darbar senrai ka balalong ha ka khandai trek unai luar arhajar arpuar. Kalawan ra eka kai phot jing toket jong ka commission ka bala toket halor ka jing sya asiat diap unong ilam berem ka HNLC uba cheris tevil thangkio bad yakani ka kai phot lawan ra do menteri rangba ka jela ukonrat kongkal sangma ha ki yang darbar thawan jong ka jela.
Wi-Fi Commission of Inquiry. Chief Minister, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to lay the report of Honorable Justice Wi-Fi Commission of Inquiry.
Ha kini kesengi sedang jong darbar senrai ke sarkar jela lang bau menteri rangba kelawan ra eka kai phot jong ke Inquiry Commission jong Justice T Vaipai kebatoket ke jing sya asiat diap jong ba cheris tevil thangkio katkum kene ka kai phot jing toket jong Justice Vaipai ulepen pau ba gejin khra jogi pulet kadai kabala shule lemo kemda perkhat ba la penon kampalat pot e ka bor hak pen shimsna ne gejing im jong niunong elam berem ke HNLC Lapan pauru baka tactical team 1 hak jing khandra ka dewan kami ba cheres nagi yang sa jong u hak khatlai trek unailar ar hajar arpuai ndrai namar ka jing bambiang garu kom perkhat ba lapanan kampalat ega bor ka balalam sendan ka jing yap ya ka bala bandang kiar ka operation kalong ka bala plan bha ndrai ka jing pentre kampat kalong ka beduna bat ka badko kram dapanan kam ka bor perkhat bat ka jing rung jubor po ka yeng hapre ka jing dom bat ban sim ka jing em ka jing bakla ka bajur bat ke penrem ru ke jing thmu jong ke jing khanra ka kai phot kala jing mut ban kiar ke jing khanra ki yang sa jong pat ba ke badan hasor ha ka por men miet nang bakat omdan ke jing do ye ke jing em jong ki balui lui bat ki pulet ki dalet khanra men miet haba ki let kumneru ki dei bandeng ye ki night vision device bat dei ban pendan kam da ki tear gas grenade habalet khanra ki yang ke badan hasor bat dei ban ajing kai ki pulet alor ka hok long breu man breu Katanat pulit jong kejela kala penti kena hak Inquiry Commission badai uba cheris tefil uba phak ban pen bethai bom IED hak keleng kejaka hak kejela bat bandawa pisaru nagi hek spa kan thop wat nagi hek sarkar ka high level meeting jong ki hek pulit kejela habala bishar benia agi jingja kala betha ban kemno uba cheris kenang bantek lakam ya ki jingja pen bethai bom ki bathmu da ke HNLC
Statements were also being made on behalf of the police officers involved in the police action, and disclosure of the names of these officers could seriously endanger their personal safety. So therefore, the Commission itself has recommended in their report that these names should not be made public in the interest of the safety of the police, number one, and number two, also because there are ongoing investigations that are there, and sensitive names of people who provided sensitive information based on which the entire investigation took shape and moved forward. Those names were there, and hence it would hamper the overall investigation in the larger overall interest of the public that those names be not made public. Hence, it is important to see that part of the report which is in para 34, 35 on page 27 in relation to what the situation was when the police had to make that call. And as I said, when there's an imminent threat of a bomb going off in a highly public dense location, the police had to act. Now in those situations, of course, the Commission has made a lot of observations regarding the process and the way it was done, and they suggested that it could have been done a different way. So definitely we have called for an explanation, and all the individuals involved here will be called for explanation, and accordingly, once we hear the other side of the story also, based on that, we will proceed further.
But the report had stated that the operation carried out was very well planned, but poorly executed.
Yeah, so that's what happens. As I said, you see, these kind of operations, one has to understand, are made under a lot of pressure. There is time pressure. There's a pressure of worry that maybe the bomb has already been planted somewhere. There's a pressure of the fact that what else could happen. So you are working under tremendous pressure with time very limited and not knowing what's going to happen next. These situations must be taken into consideration while this happened.
But since death is involved, don't you think that a criminal case should be filed against police officers involved?
See, we'll have to see all those aspects of things. This is something we'll have to figure out in the sense after we call for explanation and everything.
Kasur kebri hunyo trap ha ka kendai trip nailor arhajar arpuar kala penlong ya kejing ki de kabasong klan mongor ha kejing keng Harrison ban penpau kejing bomhon ya ka kai pot jing toket halor ka jing sha sia diap unang ilam berim ke HNLC uba Chesterfield thangkhiu ha ka step jong ka khatlai trip nailar arhajar arpuwe ha ka ying sa jong u ha maulai kenton masar. Kinong yalam bat kidkhot jong kasur kabri unyo trap kle lo ma performance step ha gejing keng rel bong kabadi kalat bandech keng dorbar thawan kejela ban ape ka khubor ka bedei ba gejing wanra ka kai phot jing toket ha po ka dorbar senrai ka bala sedang ha ka negasngi haba kini kleyo ka khubor phang ka kai phot jing toket bat kamlong ka bahun satya kila pertajam bagi penremjor ke sarkar MDA ka balayalam da keseng NPP. Unang ilam kasur kabri unyo trap uba don bok lang karlingdo ulong bagi persajur ya kakai pot jing toket kabala kliat unong bishar bala syong thaj ukti vaipei namar shim lakadawi ka kerteng jogi pulet ke bala dan keti ha kabasiat yo ba cheres ne wat ka kerteng jogi sakhi bat kane kakai pot kalong ka bomhun satya ulong ba ka jing sha apnya uba cheres kari namar ka jing le thurmur bat ka jing penkam ki pulet jongka tactical team 1 shaba palat pot ka bor jongki bat kim sngu ya hab ru ban chikot explanation yo pulet ne ka kenhon ka belit kenra nrai ka sarkar kladai ban le da ka beteng ya ki kat kum ki kendon an uba marbut dekhar ulong ba sngu hon ni ka kai pot namar ba kamde satya kom belajar shisha bat ka bambyang hang nuru bat kladon ka jing pen kelayaka ulong bakasur ke beriuh nyo trap shan ke sesong jingyalang ban sia mekarai ya ke ai ke bagian lek nang ne syakmat halor ke jing bomhon ni ka kai pot jing toket kamtam ha bagi pat ba kem don jing shan ya shu ya ke ni ke sarkar
nginom sange nginya yele kata kedai ka phang pedeng le si jong ka sur jong beriuh nyo trap ki babun lamis lot hang ne jadi terdau nak leng jong ngi kran chai ba nginom la pan pedeng yang ni ka kai pot dinah leng jong ngi penpau ba ngim sungui hap hak ji syah ba pilalam hani la yo sngo ba utang master A master B udan ketiban penyam lade ban sim kam no yu kani kalong ka jing dawa ka jongi te haipat ne kadang don ka jimburi kam don jimburi syu namang lalam ba ulah keren syai ba ulah pen dan kam namar ba excessive use of force te hak ju kapor nak liang jongi ngi persya ya tak jingkol explanation biang habde bat ke cases bat ke baar nak liang jongi ngi dawa ba ka first track court ke ban khle no lane ban de ban chimti no habde bat ke case tinggal kwa ban ong bat ban keren syai bakum ka jaj ban rew ngilangnya lane ngila than ban yo sngo ya ka jingle don board jong thombor jong ki brew jong ka an henry mentang ngilalap pelen ba katkum ketika inquiry lalap ba udon uta unong penyam yau bala white ing no hang ni ka report tingi ong ba haba philap kem ya kita ki no ilam seng balang philai kem yu breu uba don kiti ban syok bandat ya ki barjelal ni tang ban syubat barjelar la syak kem ki ilam seng balang dekat no tam lei ya kini kinong penyam tingi na le jongi ngi don kata kajing artetin ya kini ka MDA government ngi suthu balada kale kum de hakwi kasngi ngatrai ba kanom salia ban shimro ya kajing em kajongi kom ki leaders hapo ka sobri new trap lani ki par ki leader jogi NGO
ka jingelang jong ka kenhun menteri ke belai kendo ha kasngi balang jong ka toyo kala ajing menjor ya kajing pen menapat ba ban penjelan ya kajing pentrekam ya ki kendon jong ka code of criminal procedure ne ka CRPC bat ka code of civil procedure CPC habarok ki yang syari kebadan hagajela. Chief Executive Member ka KHADC rengkat bat KMDC Kaliang Persha. Jong kene ka Autonomous District Council bat ka New Trap Youth Council kila Persha jore kene ka jingle jong ke sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Ka jingelang jong ka kenhun menteri ke balai kendo ha ka New Trap unai luar arhajar arpuar. Kala ajing menjore ke jing pendapat ba pan penjela ne ke jing pentrekam migi kendon jong ka CRPC bat ka CPC. Habarok ki yang syari kebadan pok kejela. Habai keren beginang pathai kubor Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong hadian kejing penbet bat ki District Council syuaban menjore kini ke notification bat kamdai bandan kenu-kenu kejing sengo artatien namar kejing kli kami isu bagi board jeng District Council Code kin sepentron ne syak penduk Borno. Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bakat kom kapara 4 bat 5 jong ke 6th schedule. Lagdaw syai baga kenhun menteri kan omla ban ciweng ne penduk gi bor bala penkop dagi yang dorbar thawan jongkari.
In pursuance of full separation of judiciary from the executive and in exercise of the powers conferred in proviso to subsection 2 of section 1 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, Act 2 of 1974, the Governor of Meghalaya is pleased to apply the provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 to the courts in the state of Meghalaya. The District Council courts shall continue to derive powers under para 4 and 5 of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. The Governor of Meghalaya further directs that notwithstanding such application, all actions taken by the district courts throughout Meghalaya under the rules for the administration of justice and police in the Khasi Hills and Jenti Hills, 1937, and the rules of administration of justice and police in Garo Hills, 1937, shall deemed to have been taken under the relevant provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973.
Ha kejing kendo beginang pathai kubor ha step jong ka praterik unai luar arhajar arpuar. Ha ki yang sa jong Chief Executive Member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Uba titos Starwell Khan ulapan pau bejan barok ki MDC jong ka KHADC da ko kesor ki perca jore ka rai jong sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance baniat chakmat ga pentrekam me ka Code of Criminal Procedure CRPC bat ka Code of Civil Procedure CPC. Ha barok ko kejela. Kam tam me jaka betrekam ke bor jong ki District Council. Uba titos Starwell Khan ulong bag sarkar keleban besut iki kentin gibong excluding the code created under the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, and this code shall continue to the right power under para 4 and para 5 of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, and exclusive jurisdiction of the District Council Court to hear and trial cases between in tribal areas shall not in any way be diluted. Kumta nagaliang ka KHADC kladawan ng sarkar bansangi aswa hagaba penkrea ban pentrekam ya ka CRPC bat ka CPC kat bakam patla ban penbed. Namar hagajing kendo yu Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad Kongkal Sangma dang Shenru. Kinong ilam jong borok lightly ke Autonomous District Council kiladap ajing mud ya kania.
Mending hapa ni kedua si amba ya mentahi nakaliang kesunga ngakwa ban pha kani ke message sa state government baka day ban keep and hold syai kani notification kampat day ban notify kani notification kat bang impat ya syai bat council dan rela daki go ahead ngan ong ipi baka ni ka rai kala dilute ya ka power jungi ka pemut hila day ban khang no e ka district council ade ban khang dam no e ka district council ko kimdan bor syo maka notification hi ko ong kumta ka ko ong ba la apply in the whole state ngingi kwa baka the state government can bu contain excluding the code created by the district council. Tadi kajing kuat. Maka ni ngan ya tu ipi kala ya tekhu bat ka para 53 jong ka 6 schedule bat ka notification ka om bakam dei ban apply da ka CRPC bat CPC. Bi kat kum ka para 53 jong ka 6 schedule. Kat baka notification bat ka om ba can apply to all codes in Meghalaya. Haba on all codes in Meghalaya kamot, village code, subordinate code, district council code. Ya kani ka notification ni kala dilute ya ka powers jongki district council court kadang ngasusi ba lo kani ka banta kadang ka jongi ngin hap ya keren biang ngan sa lum ya ka jingelang la monde pakai MDC berokat mana keren halo kani ka
Hadin balami ke jeng persya nau Chief Executive Member jeng ka KHADC ya karai jeng ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance baniat cekamat naga bantau ya ke CRPC bat ka CPC haga jala berkawai. Haga pratrik mentau nai luar arajar arpuar sekawai nik seng malang kalami cekamat ban keren halor kani ke jok kapang. Kaseng New Trap Youth Council hapo ke jeng lam kamat jeng Presiden uba Robert Jun Karjaren bat General Secretary uba Roy Kuparsen Rem. Hagajing kendo bagi nang patai kubor Shillong Press Club kilapan pau gajing persya ka bajor ke negara jong sarkar. Na gajing temu ban penteri kami kini artli gibor bishar bat ulong ba kan penduk no gibor bishar mukot duma jong ki Autonomous District Council. Kumjuk gibor bishar ke hima bat kisnong. Kumta kini keseng kala kerencai balada ke sarkar ka thau ban penduk no gini gibor jong ki Autonomous District Council ki hima bat kisnong. Ke sarkar keladi ban kang no sendon ya gebor bishar jeng ki Autonomous District Council bat inse pet pat ya ke jubab jeng pat ba. Halor kini karai ki HYC kala dawana ke sarkar ban pen bet chwai kini ke jeng bakla kenang bagan kata ya ke jelahi baro kawai.
Tibro sekata la nadu basdang ki dis council code nadu 1952-53 kadon ka jing separate ya ke power ka basai. Kamju dadon kata ka jing conflict ya ke jurisdiction. Kabumut ia ki tribe ia lada ki mukot duma ka di para tribal kan lek be saka disconsil ri lada ka mukot duma ka involve non tribal entity way kini ki lek na saki EDC judicial court ti kuma pite pro ba hakini ki snam ki baladat na kalian jong ka mekhlia kala pendep ya ka full separation ya ka executive na ka judiciary kabumut ba ya ka kam bisharhi kila don be da ki judicial magistrate kim don chu itu ki executive magistrate ya ka bachula empower ki daki anja ka sarkar mekhlia ti ka jing thamu jo ka sarkar kalong ba namar ba kaladon ka separation ka bala long complete kam don su ka executive code ti ki kwa ban implement ya ka CRPC ba ka CPC ha kini ki code khnang ba ban ai bor ya kini ki code bakin trikam kenri ka basmusi kalong ba ha kan de ka jing thamu ban empower ya kini ki normal code kar komponen kami ki kentin pan kapoi penban sya uput ba ki kumbakan kini no ia ka exclusive jurisdiction jongki dis council code bat ki subordinate dis council code bat ki village code bat kumju uru ke basmusi kalong ba ia ka CPC bat ka CRPC and extend sya kini ki dis council code ru klaim ka consent jong ka dis council kani kalong ka ik ba songsi bat kumbang yoi hakikat khobor ko per na kalian jongki EDC kela oppose ya kani bat kebangi solongo kolong balai pi ya chakmat kuat ada kala don lupa kata ka opposition ya kani ke jing extend ya CPC bat CRPC na kalian ka seng ngingi simba kani ke jing extend kala ban poi penban sya ke jing pendu no ya ki village code bat ki subordinate council code mo balai ha village code kuma kitip ki chairman jo ki village code bod sin hi gide ki rang basnong lani ki de ki bru ki batip ya custom hendrai ki bom tip pat ya ki jenet ki jenap jo ki an ki kanum hari ya hari ti dostor bat kitip tendrai lada ka CPC bat ka CRPC ka apply kabumut ba ki haban tip bahaya ka CPC bat ka CRPC ti ban tip ya kan ni ti stang da pass law minimum qualification kan di LNB ti kemud baro ki chairman bat ki SIM ginong bisar ki haban pass law ti ki bom pass le se ginong la so bat sim case ti bat lada kim pass na lade ki haban thung na ki we ti lada ki thung na ki we ge jingsew kan pun tu mangitip bun ki hima bat kisnong kinong la ban ber ya ta expand ban bu tau permanent judge ti ade no lade ki bajia kalong bakin khang no ye ni ki ko jong no ble kim don ki bro ki ba la kata de we ge impact ka direct impact ka impact ka baar kalong ba ka technicality jo ka CPC ba ka CRPC kini ki jenet ki jenat ki badan ya ka bala da pinpe ka supreme court ru baong ba ka jingbom trekam ka CPC ba ka CRPC ha ki tribal area kalong bangim kwa ban burden da ka technicality jo kini ye ki tribal people ti dre kumba kalong mata kan ni ka technicality ru kan rum sadu ki court ki bare hot haka draft hot haka tu ka post jong menteri rangba uang ba ki dis council code can continue ban derive ya ka bor ki jongki na para 4 bat para 5 jong ka schedule ke jingkeli kalau nadu menu la don kam notification lengba ka CPC but CRPC ban penteri kami ke Council Code. It's not needed. Kamju don kam katakan notification. Kabadon kam ka ditang ka confirmer power haka para 51 jongka 6 schedule. Hari kam ngim GOE bahaban I notification under the provision jongka CPC but jongka CRPC ban penteri kam yakin Council Code. Ti kani kedige ke ba haka jing yo ke jongi kadon ka cross violation kadon ka jing kum suthu janai lese jong kini ki brio hak board bagi extend ya ka CPC but ka CRPC kata di ke way sa ka ba arpat ka longba ni kadon ka conflict hapedeng jong ka 6 schedule but kan notification ka notification ka ong baga CPC but ka CRPC kan trikam haparo ki code ha mekhalia kan ba 6 schedule ka para 53 jong ka 6 schedule ka ong ba ka CRPC but CPC kan trikam ha ki council code but ha ki code basna ka council tikilong indirect conflict nta ti kumba pitip ka CPC but CRPC kediga ain ke basna da central government ka council code part ban wanra ya ki procedure law kasna ya ki kasna ya tu ka ain administration of justice rule 1953 but ka tu ka administration of justice rule 1950 badi bajoki kasis imship tilada ki tungku kini ki united kasis jtihil administration of justice rule 1953 but ka Khasis Imship Administration of Justice Rule 1950 but ka CRPC but ka CPC kan prevail ka CPC but ka C nomor ka para 12AA ka umta. Kemudian at the end of the day ka United Khasis Gentile Administration Rule 1953 but ka tu ka Khasis Imship Administration Rule 1950 kan nullify kan do no tila da ki do kini ka council code kinamla bantri kam no la de with claim kini ki procedure rule tika pohi siya kaban ngai yang statement jong CM ke KCDC ba lada ke government kam penbet ye kini ki kentin lada ke government kam ya shong shwa dia kam ya shong shwa bat ka council ka pohi siya ha ka bakhang ye ki village code ye ki additional subordinate council code bat ye ki council kemudian baru kikis kin poin no saya kini ki normal code ki baka sarkar kala bu keleng tikani kala longkum ke jingkni no ya ka bor jong ka council bat jong ki ma bat jong kisno pada pisngo bom don kamsu ya ka council code don kamsu ya ki code jong ki ma don kamsu aman kisno tenai taman kisno pen bana ba pila khang no ya ka bor jong ki pada hilom daring hadu kata sedang ya kata beli pihak manle na notification if you can officially open ya kino ki project you can officially go and close down ki code room lain sampai ke respon jong public kan
Menteri Rang Ba ke Jela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bakat kum kejinglap jong ke IIT ya kejing kelem ke dom jong ke dorbar tawan ke betemai ha mau diang kadai namar bagane ke dom kalakia syabapalat bat kam syamladan ru kejing trelang ha pedang ki agency ki badai bantai ya ke yang dorbar tawan. Menteri Rang Ba ke Jela Conrad Kongkal Sangma habai keren beginong pathai kubor hadian belawai ke jingelang jong ke High Power Committee ulong ba ke IIT kelada ban IT ka kai pot jing toket ke badan sans pasla balasyam ba ke jing khalem ga dom kadai namar ba ke lakhya shabapalat ya ke ba omla ban kerdasyo bat kam syamladan ru ke jing trailang hapeng ki agency ki ba pentre ya ke kam ulong bakat kum ka kai pot jing toket la syam babaro gijing tai ke badan hapok yang darbar tawan kilong ki basngan bat ke badang klan kat kum ke standard ke balabu Menteri Rang Ba ulong bak IIT ke lai jing mut bala rekwa ban bo biang ya ke dom ke de ban long ke basting bat ke ne ke benta ke High Power Committee kan sasyong bishar ban syemekarai ulong ru bak High Power Committee ke labetha ke sarkar Jela ban khot ya baro ke badan benta ha ke bantai ke yang darbar ke batamai ki bagenthop ya ki designer contractor bat ya ke PMC ban ai ke jing pensyai halor ka jinglap jang ke kenhun tokit uliat ho bag High Power Committee kan sasyong jingalang hag niki hinyaw ni expose ngi banwan ban chupen kan mau ha ka arpuar terik jemang mentakas 6 hajar arpuar ka dom ke badang sidap tai jeng yang dorbar tawan ke Jela kala klem gensan ha ke por steng senya bat hagani ke jingja am syamladan manu menoru ki ban mensau.
In the first case, the findings of the IIT Guwahati on the reasons of the collapse of the building was number one, because of the action of dead load alone, which means the overall weight of the entire dome was too heavy for it to sustain. And in that aspect, they've mentioned different aspects about the fact that they required a large number of coordination. And they've mentioned that there was a lack of coordination between the different agencies, which is the design, PMC, and construction. While these designs, were being implemented, these coordinations, if they'd taken place, then most probably this situation would not have occurred. So the final finding of the report in this case was that the rest of the building was found to be safe, and all the structural strengths and the foundation strengths that are there were found to be as per standards. So these are the findings of the HPC of the IIT Guwahati, and accordingly this was placed in the HPC, and the HPC has now further instructed or directed the government that they must immediately call the different stakeholders, which are the designers and the contractors and the PMC, and ask for explanation based on these reports that are there, and whatever explanation they give based on that, come with suggestions on what further the process should follow, and they should be placed in the next HPC, which the Honorable Chairperson of the HPC, the Honorable Speaker, has suggested that we will try to do it within the next 1 week or 10 days. The next HPC should sit. So we intend to call, the government will be calling all the respective stakeholders, and based on that, this report, explanation will be sought from each of the stakeholders on the point-to-point basis on what are the replies that they have to the points that have been mentioned by IIT Guwahati.
Kalong ke kabansa akan mau hak history jangka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Haba khaddo khadwai kata hadian nyo posnem. Ya ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Regulation and Administration of Land Bill Arhajar Arpuway. Kalayo ekajing menjur no ulat kejela Satyapal Malik menta ketayo. Chief Executive Member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba Titas Starwell Khan. Haka handruk terik nailur Arhajar Arpuar ula pentip ulat kejelau Satyapal Malik ula ajing menjur ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Regulation and Administration of Land Bill Arhajar Arpuway. Bat kene ke bil menta kala long an hadin buulat ula dabai kejing menjur. Habaya keren begino patai kubor uba Titas Starwell Khan ulong bakalong kebansa akan mau hak history jangka council. Namar hadian nyo posnem kalan bil keliok jing menjur bat hadian bakania kelaan hadin belapen mi haga gadget ka council kan sesna ki rule ke bedai bat kenekaan bat an pentrekam habaro uput usam jangka council uba Titas Starwell Khan ulong ba ka council kala jule ikilan record rekam patlong kabasngan bat wat ki bang ne kinu ki kenhon kim pediang ya ki kot ki selajaka ki ba air ka council Henry menta barok kin haban pediang ya ki kot jaka hadian bakalan bil kala-kalaan ulong bakat kum kenekaan on la ban bo ikilan bank bat ban pet bakan amdan kanu ke jingle don bor ka bedai bat gejing ai jaka ulong ru baka council kan thau no iki rule bat an sepentre kam no kenekaan bat ka council kan sebu ka dor ke beduna na ke benta ki pat ba ki basa ha ka jaka kapot ban register ki jaka jungki bat ka ki HADC ulong baka council da ka jing menjur jong ki kli nong sensyar ni kirang ba shnong kan sala ban penbenai ki ki jaka kum ki land bank ban iPad shigi brio ki bamdan jaka
kalong ka penpau ya kejing dokumen nak liang jong ke isi bat liang jong ke council hi barok away baya kani ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Regulation and Administration of Land Bill 2021 ba nak liang jong governor ula aya ka asen bat menin gasni nak liang jong ka DCA kila pharu siapo ka printing press jong government pan print ni kanika act ka bill ke chungi bat kalong ka bill ka ban sa jing kan mau ha ka history jong ka council namar hadian new post nem ba ngiyo ya kanika land bill hoy kidon ki isi ki bala persyang ha ki por ki bala dap andrei ngim somla ban pen ulong dengan dokumen ba nakaliang jong kani ka isi ke bamenta apo ke cingelam ke conga bat rengkat ke trelang jong ki EM bat ki MDC baro ni lala ban pen ulong ni kani wat hadin bangila pas ka na du ka senam arajar arhuai hadin bangila penbit penbiang bah mentau senam ngilala ban yo ya ka jing menjur jong ulat bat sian kanika bill hadin bala publish ka po gazet ngin sa snai ki rule kat kum ka ba dei biang bat ka jing pentri kam jong kanika bill bat sian on sala ban pentri kam habaro uput usam jong ka autonomous district council ka jongi khasi autonomous district council kumban subatai lengkot kumba piatip babaro ngiong baka khandau ka siap kahap apo uput usam jong ke district council ngia keren bahai kata dan mereka basusi pat kalong bahadu menta ngimdon ya kata ka an apo district council bangin don ya kata ka bor kaba kan long kumbalong menta hadir mengilayo ya kan ikabil hoi ngi jule ya ka land records hang ni apo council henry kini ki land record certificate ki bangi ai mangi ya ki breo lani ki nu ki ba apply ka land records kam long legal lani wat ki bank lani ki nu ki institution kim pediang ya kini ki documents tu bangi ai mangi tenrei menta pat hadin ka jingyo ka jungi ya kani ka bill menta baro ki land documents ya ka bakat kum kani ka bill ngila aibor nadu ya ka kur nadu ya ki rangba snong nadu us em kila ban ai ya ka nugano ka kot pen scam lani ka land documents ya ka ban itu da ka nugano ka institution lani na ka nunu ka bank but kinunu ki bor sarkar kinhap ban itu menta ya kani ka land documents ka bangin ai nang ni kani ka diga way ka shipment ka ban yarap ya ki pat ba nang ba kin lan mo na ki jinge ki bakilay kendu hakini ki snam ki baladap namar ki babun ki jinge tho dulir ki jinge tho kot tho slah ki snong ki thawru kalau ra sibun ka kenrum keram namar ba kamdan ka rukom ka ba yahap hakaba ai kini ki documents dan ki dulir nrai nadu menta kini ki dulir ki ban ai da ki snong ki thaw da ki rang ba snong da ki kur kamut kin hap ru ban submit hapo ka council ka jongi kenang bangiru hang ni ngin bu records kamut kanun ka dulir ka ba ai naka snong hang ni kamut ka records hangiru ka de bandon ba ka jing pen scam nang iru ka de bandon kata ka de ka jing thmu jong ka ni ka bel
nang ye sa ban nginu benta ki wai pat ki kubor ngin sawan phai hadin kini ki jing pen mana.
Are you having trouble in having baby? Nearly 27.5 million couples in India actively trying to conceive suffer from infertility. Cherish your dream of parenthood with us, Janitva IVF Center. We started our operations in 2016 in Guwahati and now we are in your city, Shillong. Our state-of-art assisted reproductive technology and our team of doctors and embryologists will guide you to realize your dream of parenthood. For all infertility problems and recurrent IUI IVF failures, consult Dr. Arpita Sharma, Chief IVF Consultant, Janitva IVF Center, Guwahati. Now in your city, Shillong.
Hello, I am Dr. Arpita Sharma, IVF Consultant and Director of Janitva IVF Guwahati. Parenthood is a cherished dream of every couple. So if you are trying to build a family and finding difficulties, you can share your problems with us. We'll definitely try to find a solution and accomplish your dream of parenthood. Janitva IVF will be available at your city Shillong and Children Hospital from September onwards.
For further details, please contact www.janitvavivf.com or contact Janitva IVF Center, Shillong.
Lau PCN dengan janmit ngena pai biang syaki benta jong ka kubor. Ka sarkar jelah ha ka pratarik unailor arhajar arpuar kala IT ya kejaka ka bashpau akar syaki he jong ka Central Reserve Police Force ha New Shillong Township mau diang-diang. Na ka benta banbo iki ketem Bashirta jong kisipai CRPF. Menteri rang ba ka jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula IT ka Shithi Ajaka syaki he CRPF ha ka jingalang ka belalong ha Secretariat. Haga balairan lang Menteri Korbari ke Jelau ba la Kemen Rumboy, Chief Secretary ke Jelau ba DP Walang, kihe CRPF bat kihe officer sarkar. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bagi pulit CRPF kila kerpat la bunsnem na ke sarkar ban ajaka ban bo ika ketem ke Bashirta. Kamtam haba ke CRPF kila bo iki ketem ke Bashipor hakeleng ke benta jong ke Sor Shillong. Ulong bag sarkar kalarai ban ajaka Bashpo akar haka New Shillong Township ya ke CRPF. Kenang bagian bu ke ketem ke Bashirta, bad hadian bag CRPF keladap snai ke ketem ke Bashirta. On sapen kendria no ebro ki ketem ke badan hakeleng kenong ba. Kamtam haba keladon ru kejing dawan ki pat ba badiban pen kendria no ke CRPF ki badan hamaulai. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bahadian bagi CRPF keladap ban pelat ki jaka ki badan hakenong ba Shillong. Ka sarkar kan sasyong perkat kumno ban penan kami ni ki jaka. Bat ke sarkar jela kadani ke jing temu bantai ya ke Skill and Entrepreneurship Training Center lani ke Arts and Culture Center hamaulai hadian bagi pulit CRPF kelamino nakini ki jaka.
And they have been camped in different temporary locations. And the CRPF for many years has requested the government of Meghalaya to give a permanent location and a permanent camp to them. And because this permanent location was not given, the CRPF different battalions and companies have been kept in different parts of the city and the state on a temporary basis, but which has extended for a very long time. And hence today we have decided and in fact handed over the allotment of 10 acres of land in the New Shillong Township area next to IIM for the CRPF to have a permanent camp in the state of Meghalaya, which will further facilitate the process of shifting the temporary camps and taking the different CRPF personnel from those temporary camps to the permanent camp that is being the land which is being given to them. And in the process, we also discussed regarding the shifting of the camps in certain locations where there had been a lot of demand from the public also, like in the areas of Maulai. So those discussions also were done, and this process also will start. And as they finalize and as the approval from Government of India, from MHA comes, for the taking over of the land which has been allotted by us, the process of also shifting as well as constructing the permanent site will start. Apart from that, we have also discussed that especially in Maulai area, in the camp that is there next to the Maulai police station, that we will further, once this shifting process takes place, we also discussed on how the land can be utilized to have skill or entrepreneurship training facilities and centers, and different art and culture centers also are being planned in that area. So all these discussions had taken place, and we had a very productive meeting, and we're hopeful that very soon the approval from MHA will come for the taking over of the land by the CRPF, which has been allotted by us today. And today, in a very important meeting, the government of Meghalaya has handed over the allotment land, the letter of allotment to the CRPF.
Ka nong aiktian jong keseng Kongres ka Bobita Sharma ha kesantarik unailur arhajar arpuar. Kalapen pau ba keseng Kongres haduk menta kadang yo ekejing syania anu pat ba. Bat kan sawan pai biang ha kebor sensyar ha kesnem arhajar arpulai. Bat kalong kebadan kam ban penken mau ki pat ba ya ki kam ki ba ka Kongres kelale na kebenta ke jela Meghalaya. Bat kiwe-kiwe ki jelaru jong kathan syatailam mingi. Ka nong aiktian jong keseng Kongres ka Bobita Sharma ha kesantrik unailur arhajar arpuar. Kalapan benar bagi keseng Kongres kan penlong ya ka Bharat Jodo Yatra ne ka jingyat kejat ha ka hinyau tarik menta ubenai nailur. Kaban sedang nado ka Kanyakumari syeduk Jammu bat Kashmir. Ka Bobita Sharma habaya keren bat kinong patai kubor kaloong baya kene ke yatra nyalam do Rahul Gandhi ubalong nong nyalam ke All India Congress Committee. Ban pensuthu ki pat ba ha ke bede pejing sensyar ke BJP ya kari ha kene ki prasnem ke bala penlong i pat ba kari ban mat ke jingdok ban om yo kam yo jam bat bakadon ru ke jing kiodor ki marba mardi bat ki kiwe. Kani kanong ai kitian kalong ba ke jing temu jong kene ke yatra kalong barwanra ya ka jing teli jong barok kinong India baning persya ke jing bamlong renti ka kai pateng ke jing pat ya prak imlang salang bat ke jing senjor jong ki hok kumla kedau ha ka riti sensyari. Kalau orang baleng ba kene ke jing ya kejat kinong elam ka kongres kene ya hakikat artli gi jela bat artli gi union territory bala jet ki sispa kat prangot na kelenggari ban ya shimbenta ha kene ke yatra. Ha ka bedai bat ki kam san perthai ha ka jela Meghalaya. Kanong ai kitian jong All India Congress Committee kalapen paw ya ka jing scam jingmut ba ka seng kongres hapo ka jing elam UMP ka Shillong seat uba Vincent H Pala como presiden ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee. Kadoni ka kabu ka babiang ban wan pai biang ha ka bor ha ka snem arhajar arpulai. Kalau ba ka kongres kala du tang kandidat ban thaw ka sarkar ka snem arhajar khatpra. Bat menta ke kenti ling ba ke jing trishtom kipat ba sa sisian kenai ke jing shania ke seng kongres kumba ke seng kelale bon ke ne ke benta ke jela Meghalaya ka Bobita kaloong ba ke Meghalaya ke dai ke bahab ha Assam mencua bat dai ke kongres ke bla shim ke senja ban thau ke jela Meghalaya bat ke seng kongres ke pai khmat bet ye kipat dulum jeng jela ke than stelam ingi bat bon kelas sedang ban klet bat dai ban pen mau biang ye kipat ba ya ki ba ke kongres kala dak ban le. Halor ke jingkeli le ke kongres kan pediang biang ne em ikinong mikmat ke bala pet lada kiwan pai biang. Kanong yalam ke All India Congress Committee kelong bagi nong yalam ke seng ki kloi ban pediang ya baro lada kiwan pai biang sya ke seng. Bat ke lakot sngop haru ikiwei pat ki seng san perthai ki betrelang bat ki NPP bat ke BJP ki basngo baga jinge trelang jongki kam dan jingmud ai ruem.
Main goal of Bharat Jodo Yatra is to take the people of the country the issues of economic, social and political. As we have seen in the last 8 years since the Modi government has come to power, the promises that were given by the BJP government led by Shri Narendra Modi, people had given him vote with lot of trust, lot of hope. But what have we seen in the last 8 years? That all their hopes and trust have been destroyed. And we have seen that the trust they had in the BJP government, which the people voted to power, has been dismantled one by one. First and foremost, in the economic problem that we are facing now, the most important problem is price rise. At that time, they used to talk about the rise of petrol, the price rise issues. When they were in the opposition, they used to take to the streets. But what do we see now? Now for the common people, petrol has reached more than 100. Price rise is skyrocketing. For everybody, for you and me, for everybody, it's becoming very difficult to even make ends meet in the household. Every housewife, every man who works in an office, every daily wage earner feels the pinch of the skyrocketing prices. Unemployment has been the highest in the last 45 years. And even now, in every state, unemployment is a big issue. And our youths are very, very disheartened with what has been promised to them. So these two economic issues we want to take to the people of the country through the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Secondly, we have seen that in the last 8 years, unprecedented social tension in India. Government at the center has been trying to control and centralize everything, and how they are going on a politics of vendetta against the opposition leaders. From south to north to east to west, everywhere you have seen how they have used the central agencies like ED and CBI against the opposition leaders. How they are trying to subvert the independence of the state governments. No state government can act on their own without permission from the central governments. It's as if all the chief ministers have become puppets in the hands of the central government. So these issues we want to take to the people of India through the Bharat Jodo Yatra. These are the main core goals. And this yatra will start from 7 September. And our leader, this will be led by our leader Rahul Gandhi ji, and he will be throughout this yatra, which will continue for 150 days. And it will cover the different states.
Kahnyo Trap Integrated Territorial Organization HITO. Hakahnyo Trap Unailur Arhajar Arpuar, kala kentho tenge ek sarkar jela halor kajing yo ayat kitrok kit daw yong bean. Kibadai jong kita ki high level, bad kalapun pauru ya kajing benyau baki pulet kim shim latre ban register ya ke ejahar. Kabel ujor da keseng persya ai ki kat pratli kitrok ki ba khayi daw yong bean. Kaseng HITO kala ledru ban IT ke dorkas au presiden ka BJP Meghalaya Bandawa na sarkar pedeng ban pha toket ha ke Enforcement Directorate bat ka Central Bureau of Investigation ya ki kam bamsap ha ke jela Meghalaya. U presiden ke HITO ba don bok dekhar ulong bahadin bagi pulet jong ka thanat maureng keneng kem simlatre ban register mokaduma ki khat pratli ki trok ki baki do yong bean ki bali obat da keseng ha kamet jong kesnibaar badang step perngap ke snibalang. Kumta keseng kandat mudui syaka National Green Tribunal rengkat bat kisabut ki babiang halor kajing khayi bean udo yong ha kejela degi high level. Ulong baka HITO kan ledru bani kendo yu presiden ka BJP Meghalaya Bandawa badi ban pha khenra ha ka Enforcement Directorate bat ban pha toket ha ka CBI halor kajing ti bajing khayi bean udo yong ha kejela. Kahito kalapan pau bagalapan long ya kajing khenra kadai halor kanong rem bag sarkar jela ka julak miet ban buri bat ban sat khoj bakam judan kajing khayi bean udo yong bat kamtam habau sembut menteri rang ba ka jela ba Preston Tensong dangshan ulong ba ka sarkar kan map ikitegi high level kibran keti ha kajing penyat ya kitrok do yong bean ya ka jela. Hendrai ha ba seng kala yo obat belet ujor ejahar ki pulet kem shim latre satya ban register mokot duma. U General Secretary ke HITO uba wan bon dekhar ulong ba kajing kem ini kitrok ka dikejubab ke sarkar MDA ba kajing ti ba jing khayi bean udo yong kadang yai beteng ha kejela hadu menta. Bat kinong nya atrok kali tu ba kikit udo yong jengki high level. Bat la syabet iki baniat klam kajing don ya kinu ki kot kisla.
Nakapor sikapor ngi syait ye syait sakhi ya kajing tebet miau lani kajing darab jot jum sarkar MDA ha kajing ide bat kajing khayito ya udo yang kumbilan tip ba nado snem arja khatsaw hado mentamane ka NGT kampat totally live ya kaneka ban on coal mining and transportation pok jela jongi te hadin bengila I ba kanika sarkar ka persyang ban tebet miau ya kini ki kam jing jersey ha kajing ide bat ka khayi dewyang bat kajing ti dewyang bi an pok jela ngine liang keseng ngi ko ban ai jubab cekanika sarkar MDA ba menin siteng mit ngila ki dekhot jongi na program East Kasi na Giant Hills ban na pori boy kilawan ban ya detect ya kini kali kit dewyang ki bawan na po Giant Hills ki bamud tmu ban like shalam na di ni do yang sya po Guwahati Assam de hakajing rate la ni hajing bat jongi menin kila bat kumba sanpho tam bat ki don katuk ni bala like pet na ki dekhot bat nagi hagajing don rekat jing sendang lang jongi polis murkenang police station bat ngiyo ban FAR tang khat prateli te hadin bengile ya sambit dengan FAR ha ni ha I officer in charge jong murkenang police station menem step I call yang yo phone na I second in charge jong murkenang police station yong ba ya kanik FAR jong fisia ngimla ban register case na markat kum ka notification lani ko order jong mining and geology department ngimla ban register case ya kinu ke ka illegal transportation of coal ti ka ba penlengo yang I kum ki seng lani kum ki dekhot jong ka jaj beriu jong ka beriu nyotrep ba ya ki wegi kam be an kum ban su ai nuksa ba lada u driver lani unong nya kali uklet tang I driving license kila ban impose ya ka penalty ya ka fine but balai pat ya kini ki ba chalan be an yo do yang kimla ban register ye kes ni kadai ka jingkeli ni pha kani ka karwa ka jingkeli sa sarkar ba kadon ayu Shalandet bakani sarkar ka persyang ban tawi tegi an exekor ban penduk pendam lani ban tep email ya kini kam jersey lani kam korap hajing dei bat kini kam dewyong te negaliang jongi ngisngau ban agni kerwak ka pak khabar sarkar ba ngini negaliang jongi ngila dep submit ke FAR buat ki police officer concern kila receive ya kini copy of FAR ban ngini negaliang keseng ngin le ya kebadan kam ngin yai ke bor bahalor wat bantit hadu jingkang jong yang bisar ngim salia tang benta ban yo ya ka jing bisar ke bahok bat ban labdin ya kini ki boy sienti jong sarkar ban persyang ban darab jot ya kini ki aka ki jing tersi pok kecela jongi
ha kesngi ke bobot ka hito kalau IT ke dorkas presiden ke BJP Meghalaya ba Ernest Maury ban kentui ke sarkar pedang ke belam de ke BJP ban pha toket no hak enforcement directorate bat ke CBI halor ke jing khai ba nyu do yong bat ke jing keno bamsap ha ke jela u presiden ke hito ba don bok dakar ulong ba ke seng kelasai ke thop jong ke jing keno kam jersey ki ba ken thop ke jing khai ba nyu do yong ka kam thong nong hikai ke jing sam khau ka tanat social welfare ka sobhagya scheme ka jing te yak ISBT ka jing te yak yang dorbar thawan ke jela ki kam bamsap ki autonomous district council ka smart meter ka smart city project bat ka jing thiet kali ki pulet ule tho belapen pauru ik jing ja ki belaja hapo ke jela ki snem ki belalet ki bakan thop ik jing yap jang police inspector u presiden ke JYF ka jing sha pen mensau ki nong lam seng bhalang bat ki ki jing ja uba donbok dakhar ulong manakaliang uba Ernest Maury ulai ke jing kular ba anpha ek ne ke dorkas cha menteri korbari ke sarkar preng Amit Shah balla da don kam ka BJP Meghalaya kan ikendo hi yau Amit Shah hadali ban pensngau halor ke jing dawa jong ka hito
kata pembiang di kot kisla gina kadang kaseng gila depan pembiang sebiak natu arhaja katsau ter hadu ki bamenta kenang mo pinla ban pudin pembun jing esho ban dawaya kata ka ban phat no kata ka CBI inquiry dan kata ka ID angtu nilai specific take back kamdam jing dum na sho
te nakaliang jong aru kum state president ngin sim khiai kani baladun kam man pha jing tho sposha ki bor bri ban tho sport del hero han pha bala rei ban pha sha ga government pom ni glia rin pha te phya ban ai bor ban ni sa communicate pa de pi
kidai kini report long bangila ai khnang ba ka BJP hi kan suk banwat bat nakaliang jong presiden ru ula kubur bo yakani ke report on pha bat kala long ko basuk yaki ban shem bat ban pha yakata ka dor khas ko jongi shadel hi bat ban pha sisa yakata ka CBI bat ka idi hanne hapo ka jala jum tangi kermen scam bakin le bat ladakim le ru ngin khen ba ka BJP ka dei ka ba shu he tang ka tian henrei ladakale ka kam tangi ngin pech ba ka jingkran jong u mudi ka dei na em ko bowong na khaunga na khane donga
banrat deng khong ya ke jing kan rei ki nong de drug sa kan ke jala kham tam ha ka nong ba shilong u bal penjat ek jing em jagi babon ki khon samla ki pulit ke jelaru kim shim la shong that ban twet ikinong khayi drugs da ka bapen bon ru ikinong sentiat ban pet ya ka yat ke yang jongki tanga kene katayo ki pulit kele ban kem shpongut ki breu ki badan kti ha ka kam khayi drugs kan thop ki khasi bat na ki wede ki jat ben reu da ka jing twet klem shong that ki pulit ya kinong de drugs saha kemiat jong han nyau tarik unai lor arhajar arpuar ki pulit kele ban kem mesangut ki breu ke ba khayi drugs na kaleng kanong ba shilong badi kini breu le okem na dhan kiti shilong na kowe ke jaka ke badan hatrai jong ke jingking yat ke jat adhan kiti hajan kalat bandrong sha woodland hospital ki pulit kila kem ki laingut kinong de drugs baken thop ya we khasi bad arngut ki bamde ki khasi yakini ke belas akem na tep kerteng ke mu polling star David nong siet ubana kasnong maulai nong pathau u hau kholal thado na jela Manipur bat ka thang gaboi thado na madan rting shilong ha gajing talasi ka met jongki bat kapla bagi pendon kam ki pulit kle okurup yo drugs heroin u balasong he ki lai teli sendok sabon u baget southway point iway program rengkat bat kapisa balai pusan hajar ars pa anyop hotengka south teli ki mobile phone bat ka scooty ke bampat don yaw registration number kam haneng jongani ka jaka hadhan keti hi ha ka jaka pening kali ki pulit kle okem se ka we ke breu ko bamdei ka khasi ka blatip kertengum ga jasi lal sangzwal kabana ke jela Manipur rengkat badu drugs ubalasong hakikat artlik senduk sabon ubakit chispa 10.8 arsan gram Nalor u drugs leo kurup ru ik pisah basan pun reu hajar tengka. Ha gejing toket igini ke basyakem uwei ni beriau ubala syakem mulai tu ke hotel ke busa. Badak jeng let kenra ha kam rasa akan ke hotel ki pulet ke leo kurup syuk sekapisa bahnya pulai hajar san spak san pau tengka.
Man kesini ki officers bak team jungi ANTF is Castles ni ju kenra but apa mtau bna ni la yo bun baki success lemba ke jeng yarap ki breu ki paiba ba ai khobor yangi ai information but ka jitrai stam jong ka ANTF but ka is Castles borok kawi ti menta tayo kalong ka ba success ba mencing ni yo shibon ba te menero ni yo shibon ba ki kini ki heroin but ki we ki drugs ti ngindang continue but ngin kanedi ka long ka jing ye khun ka bajur ba jong ka is Castles but ka thong jong is Castles please ba ngide ban rad deng khong ki jing sniu jong ni drug mar kani kla ta shibon ki khna ki students ki school dropouts but kimi ki ba hakni po shlong sar shlong
ni nujar baki sansnam shwa but mentahi lai pher bakla bang ni law ni ba gadun ka jingkio te ka jingkio ko cherkai bagi so ba drugs long easily available because ki borders long ki brief laban cross nang ki border nang tai na Burma te ni bo khamtam e heroin nang ki nak posh ko te kadang jingma khamtam e samla kita ada kibun bon hi ki lekting na ki pep school no kim kwa ban teng shu jing puli jing ki nang ta pade ki ngop ki parlok pade ki bam let's say ka jing dong jing man ki kam long ne ki la ngop lupa ki bala ngop lupa ki jing di drugs te kalong ta kan briu body hi hadin ko lan hong dia te kadang roi kan ta kayo drugs te bon ki ngop ta hi babun man ta ki lawan chakmat om mun tra hi bo ki briu ki dang dot ngi tiang ban wan chakmat ban wat ban long pisa ki satar e ban soi ni kot rim ta pat da ka jing panapat ba da ka jing long awareness programs man ki chaka ki shnong ki thau ki school mungkin islam trekam e ki islam jing puli ki kot ki school ba e ki universities colleges e la long awareness kala ira ba sibun di bun ki nong kap shnong ki sengan thai ki lawan chakmat banirap ni tang menen hi kan song ipi tang menen ni ka case menen bagi yo kurup drugs sibun adu shispa new program but hang taru kadan ka kidan lai benta jung ki jaka bingi le rate ta but kadan wi ka jakaru ba kham dan won police henrei yo inspector jingi jong ka anti narcotics don bon yarap iwe long kami te iwan yarap ba kata ka brio ka accuse kali kanai henrei to pulit long police rang bla ban bat ti wan yarap hi sung tho hi ban kamera pinu nujar ba man shwa hi la se sansnam posnam sham dan hi bo ka ban wan yarap wan chakpan hi bo kanu no kampulit hi henrei hakani ka kanti hi stunat ban ong ba baro hi kilaya wat ki seng samlar kilai wan chakmat ban yarap ni te kani kalong ka success ka information kadang midang kadang tu chu information but ni sku thu ba mla mani trai maroi don kam ye trai lang baro hi ban rat khang kani jing sni ngam lang salang
okay sa kawairu ba mta la shimkhia now DGP sa jongi DG sa jongi la shimkhia plat ban rat khang ki jing sni jong ka drugs te DG sa ru ya kleng jong ka panta jong ka shlong u awareness program po sentiments shakui ki college ki shnong ru la bun ba ka awareness program jing shimkhia jong DGP sa but bar khoi ki officers nak tardau ngi is Castles ngi inang trai khamba shishu ban rading khong ki jisnu ban ngi yo shishu mar mata ki kamal ong tan specificity bon ki pai ba ki lawan shikman ban yirat ki plit ban ai ka khuba lengba ka jing trai lang ki pai ba ngi la ban yo kem shishu ban rading khong ki jisnu jong ka drugs khamtam po shlong city
Kinoi ka school hapo kalama jong all Meghalaya Upper Primary and Secondary Deficit Pattern School Teachers Association hakanyo tarik unailur arajar arpuar kila dawa nak sarkar jela bagadai ban penkelano ya ki khatlai tiligi school naga deficit pattern syaka deficit system ke bapura namar bagi yo ya ka basic bat ka DA kum kinohikai deficit system latno kiwe ki allowance u General Secretary Kenegaseng u Lindias Sangma habai kedan bagi dong patai kubor ulaong baha Meghalaya kidon bon jat ki kategori jong kinohikai school bat ka deficit pattern ru kadai kawai na preng jongki bat kidan tangkhat lai teli ki school deficit pattern haga jela ki bakenthop ki khandai teli ki secondary school bat sauteli ki upper primary school Ulang bagi dan prapusan ngut kinohikai bat kat nyongut kinan teaching staff haka kerdan secondary, bat arpuwe ngut kinohikai bat saungut kinan teaching staff haka kerdan upper primary, bat baru kilong shispa arpu nyongut. Uni unong yalam mulai tu bagi kat lai tiligi school, kila syae ben neruk senem syajar kendai spa prap kundai, ban syak kentiu kerdan kum ki school deficit system ki bapura. Wat la kilong ki badai hok ban yo nadu kene kepor. Lendias sangma ulong bagi school kiliyo jingirap leng baka deficit pattern nadu kesenem syajar kendai spa kendai pulai. Nregi school ki balayo ya ka deficit system ka bapura. Bat hadian jong kesenem syajar kendai spa prap kundai kilayo gijing mentoy ki babun. Nregi school deficit pattern ki yo tang ya ka basic bat ka DA. Bat kim shimlayo ki weipat ki allowance. Bat kinohikai kilamat ki babun gijing mentala palat lai posnem. Uni unang yalam ulupankan mau bahaka senam arajar shipho kila ai deka dorkas syaka sorkar jela. Bat kila ibu dini kini gijing dawa deka balik ya kenduru ya menteri rang ba ke jela Konrad Kongkal Sangma. Bat la IT ya ke dorkas ha menteri ketenat puli putih ubak la kemen rumbui. Bat usembut menteri rang ba ke jela ba Preston Tensong. Nrei kim syamla ai kanu gijing kular nrei kila penpau bakin sakami ibniat. Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma hak simpali jong ketoyo ula plat pat ba ek online portal jong ke Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act. Ba dekani ke jeng register ya kinong song snong on penteri kam shwa hak nyut ligi snong ki badon hakanong ba shlong. Menteri rang ba kejela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma hak simpali jong ketoyo ula plat pat ba ek online portal jong ke Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act MRSSA. Bat ekani kajing register kinong song snong on penteri kam shwa haki hinyau ligi snong kibadan hakadong ba shlong. Hakani kajing yalang pelat pat ba ek online portal jong ke MRSSA laidon lang menteri korbari kejela ubak lakmen rumbui, MLA Kamosen Ram ubak Himalaya Moktan Changpliang, Chief Secretary kejela ubak DP Walang, Director General ki Pulit kejela LR Bishnoi kirang ba snong bat kibai. Kishnong ki ben penteri kam mekanik kin kentup ikan Nong Rim Hills, Lapalang, Nong Mensong, Nong Ra, Pokse, Riat Laban bat wa ding liang. Konrad Kongkal Sangma habakran hagajing yalang ulong bagajing penteri kam ya ke core digital kalong ban penti kenai gajing shingan. Bat jing yadai kinong song snong, bat kan long rukum ka ikhtiar, kabaklan na kabenta ki bor kbari kmi ban yo gajing tip, bat ban pet ngor bat ban le ekabadan kam kat kum gajing tip kibayo lengbak online database. Ulong dakane ke jing pendan kami ki core digital bat jing pen kre ek online database na kebenta ke MRSSA kan longru ke ba jing mentoy ha ke ban kami benia bat ban penteri kam bhai ke jing syakri ki skim bat iki program baper jong ke sarkar. Menteri rang ba ulong syok baya mentahi ke jing penteri kam kan long syawatang hakikat to kene gisnong ki bakongsan bat an sepenyar ke jing penteri kam ha keleng gisnong ki tau ki badan ha ke jelai. Hadian balawai ke jingyalang menteri rang ba kejela ula pensyai bagi dan artli ki MRSSA ha kejela. Kawe kedai ke berem bat kawe kedai ke beladep ban pentela temai nrei kampat yo setia ya kejing menjur. Ulong baya ke MRSS bill ke baladep ban pentemai lapha ke presiden jogari kat gum kejing beta jong ulat kejela. Bat ke sorkar jela kadang buk din lor kania nrei kat ba kampat yo kejing menjur kumta ke sorkar ke penteri kam shwa da ke MRSSA arhajar kat nrio ke beladep ban yo kejing menjur. Ulong bakat kum kaan jong kestem arhajar kat nrio la syak ban register ya barok kinong song snong ki badan hakaleng ki district bat apok kejela bat la tau ya ki district task force beper rengkat bat ki wede ki rukom terikam.
No, the amended one has not been passed. So this is the act that came out in 2016, which mandates that systems should be created for registration of all the residents that are there in the state, and different district task force were created, and all the other systems were created. So the implementation of this had been lagging because of a number of challenges, including the COVID we had in the last 2 years, 3 years. And now we have just today launched the app and the website for the registrations to start now online. So basically we're going to implement this act now in letter and spirit, and 7 localities have been selected. So now the MRSSA registrations, which was mandated in the act, will start, and it's a very important step Of course, we will improve things as we go along because it's a new system. So we'll have to get everybody on board. Training will have to be given. And this will now ensure that the registrations and the information of every individual coming into our state and staying in a particular location, especially in rented houses in different localities, these information now will be captured and will be shared with the locality as well as the government. So this is a positive thing because it will help the locality know the overall, the number of people staying in their locality, and the government also will know. And yes, it's as I said, it is not just the security and safety aspect, but even in the future we'll have different aspects of schemes, and monitoring of programs can also be done through this system.
Can we say that the government will still pursue with the amendment thing of this MRSS?
It has been sent to the President and as per the directions of the Governor, and now of course we are pursuing it, but it has been sent. But in the meantime, it is important that at least the present act that is there must be implemented in letter and spirit, and this step is going towards that.
Da kajing songkya halor kajing temu ki kato kaningot ki Dr. John Negrims bakin mi no banetrei haga AIMS ha Guwahati. Haga nyo tarik unai luar arhajar arpuar kesenjok kinong sensyar snong kabri unyo trap. Kalalit kendo yung menteri rangba kejala banyak halor kani kamat. Kinong yalam ka senjok kinong sensyar snong kabri unyo trap kila IT kedor khas hau menteri rangba kejala Konrad Kongkal Sangma banpa tuklar lem halor kajing long jingman ha Negrims. Ladaja babon ngut ki doktor kin mi no banetrei syakawai pat kejaka. Habai keren bikinong pathai kubor u General Secretary kini kesenjok uba RL Bla. Ulong bakane kejaka ajing sumar kan syak ta ajur ladaja biki doktor kin mi no banetrei pat ha AIMS Guwahati. Uletho bahagajing keren bad u Director kene Negrims u Professor Dr. Nalin Mehta. Ula pentip bakat san ngut na ki arpo ngut ki doktor ki batmu ban mi no na Negrims. Kila menjur bandon Syuamenta kat ba 4 dap ban Sinapura ya ke AIMS Guwahati.
Resignation jong ki doctors na po Negrims. Ti na kaliang senjok ni songolong kadon gajing kit kre ni long concern dar kat ta kin mi ke ga banja. Yi bri ku jong ni hang ni. Ti ngilej mar ban ni kendo yu director jong Negrims. But ndala ekran badu penpau ba na kitu ki arphongot khatsan ngut kem lechu kinsa tika kadau ko ba pelong iki ba ken resign kolong hagajing embreu long yabe ban kiu khamsha khmat ba khamyo facilities kambiang tika AIMS kanwan po goti henrei la sotho ba ka AIMS kamdei ka banwan no hi la sha li sisngi kan simpor sa arsnam laisnam ti kumno pat banyo bante la kami kini bekine apo Negrims kadai ban penbiang hapo Negrims iki wei pat ki facilities na menta jongki ti hadian bagi la yakran batu ngis ngotho bagi dan ki jingduna ki ba ka Negrims ka angnot bagi dang kwa banyo hagbe dei but yiki doctors kumno ban create more seats na menta ki doctors ki banyo ban pule hang ne hapo Negrims da yaki breu ki jongni Markiwai ki states fi kumga Arunachal ka Mizoram Manipur kiladon ki medical institutions ki jongki tingi ngong ya kita ki kota ki jong kita panhe no bakin yo ki bri ki jong ni hne mo ka ba khatu pat pengi kren kadoi halor ketu ka jaka bagi ya kana klan house menshwa mdei hakatania jong kani government tania jong government ke Bamenswa. Di nakaliang ke Negrims u director pun pau ban nakaliang ke Negrims ki kloy ban shna maki kin bay pisa maki ban penyang yang tu ke guest house. Bat tu ke guest house kan long tang nakabenta ki beriu jong ka state ke jong ni napo Meghalaya ki bawan ban sumar na nong kondong nai. Mar hadu menta kim dan jaka bansa bandam. Di kan penshna ke Negrims kan pelut maka kan ron maka bat kador kan long subsidized rate di mentan gila ya keren bat chief minister bat ngin siawan lang bat u director jong ka Negrims ini kendu yung urban minister ban ya syah lor kata ban kin di kajing thohi bat ban sedang no eka di ni ngau ka long ka ba saiso kajing kendu mentan khamtam ka ba dei bat ketiga jaka ke ba ngila de bandu no hanrei ngi ngungu ya ka government ba ka kini ke government ka shimno ya kata jaka kan wan phai biang show government but ba na shi ga nigrams but kan long ga jing ker khusha na ga benta ki breu ga jongni ki ba wan ban sumar hapo nigrams ti kita ki ba min ki ba dei ya ga nigrams
ka jing temu jong sarkar ban ai jing bet ban bo ya ka kasino ha Khanapara lai i ga jing kan tho jong ki ba bon balang ke be yang persha ya kini ga jing temu hagini ka kenti sa kinong shong ka than ri bhoi kilami shakmat ban persha e kani kibalawane kendo ru ya menteri rang ba kejela ban penpau ya kene ka jing persya jongki kagenhuan ka bagenthop igi dikhot jong kesenjuk kirang ba shnong ribhoi district bat ki ka to kane teli kisang bhalang na kathan ribhoi ha ka phraterik unai luar arhajar arpuar kilawan kiyo shakani kanong ba shlong ban penpau ka jing persya jongki ban bo eka kasino ha ka shnong Khanapara ha ka district ribhoi ka badan ha ka jaka khapot ka Meghalaya bat Assam Hagini kesngi kini kekenhuan kele kendo yu menteri rang ba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma haga bakal penpau kidau hulor kejing persya jongki kini ka ketem ya khalai namar baki emlang saalang hagini kejela kampatla ban pediang ya kini kekenhuan kala ai jingmut ke sorkar balare ke sorkar ka kampen jingmut kadai ban kampen jingmut ki wei pat ki benta jengki kampen roy bat ban kampen bha bat pen mentoi gitra jela kam tam ki samla ha kaliang ban penjana shushu ya ki jaka pule kilat ai kam ai jam bat ki we di ki jingduna ki badan kam ban penjanai na ka benta ka bha kamyat jong ki samla ka jela
kaliang jong tri rong ba kan shai bet bakali ka jing ya persha jong ki pai ba hi boro na po ka them ri boy pat kum juru na ki we ki district hi boro hawai ka jela jungi ka long ni ya ka sarkar pat kum juru ya ki cabinet minister ban shong kerki hat ki por bat hadu mentaru pau persai sengi ba ulak pesenge no ya kene ka jing ai license ya kene ka kaslo tem khalai
kum pa bat kla dam ka dik sedang ban tri ni ka singo hal
hoi gadon bat na le jungi ru som committee la play lamba ke su lamba jok ka sekmi kum ju na district ru milaya budin ya kene ngomong ba kamdon ka jing ai pom ai NOC ru kadon buat kajing senaru kadon buat ni la poi hatu ka ba ni yo jitep ba kinong tap ya ki license ru apply license ru kadon de kane boro hoi klaya andre hamanta hi man senge ya kte ya ka julong ya ka kasno hi kalong pe pelat kena ba kanam la shu man pelong namar ba naliang menteri lang ba hi ban pau bet la na kamdon ka jingi menjur poi ba nari boy ban jalai bro boy kanam la pelong ya kane ka kita khlai la de kasno
kiki dari kimat bakhi kan kita di dorkas
pe ka dorkas kalong bet shibunta borok hi ga jelam de tang disik jungi ka jing so persya jong ki pai ba hi borok ka jing so kta jong ki niam ki borok ki palang ki bodon apo jong ka jela jungi borok namar ngi shong ngle ba kadin apo ri boy la ne Khanapara marlada ubreu apply license unio napo Khanapara nam kinamla persenge la apply license apo miam dan apply license apo shilong kalau kumta de kane ka jingkran jungi ru kolong pa niora ya ki pai ba niora ju ki seng balang per par kumju ki runiam bat kumju ru ka bakta ingi ka de ka bagila itu yangi kum ka jela berti bru tu play de kata di ka we ka ba ki borok ki jela ki itu ingi kum ka jela Meghalaya kata de kalong ka ingi ka ba ban kata ndri la dangi phai pat ya ka e bale ka kasno hapo district jungi la kadai ka abstral district ru ka shrita ka kertek kam pineu I shibun ki jingtuna jungi
lada kita tamar community po bernihat kalau adon gajing te bi kato di private ka government kam don jikti be bat pula kerja berada kita makanaru nakaliang jong ka sarkar jela hadu menta kilara kingdom ai license ladon makana kita kiba apply license ru nakaliang jong sarkar kilara da gawe ka jumut kingdom ai license di kita kiba ai kita kiba apply license kan kita ibu ngapa ban percaya
Kaladan kejing keno bagi Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kebalalam kemat dan keseng National People's Party NPP. Ba kalale asiliang kemat ya ke distrik East Jante Hills. Namar omdan ki kampen roy hagan ngathan wat menta belajan kot ke samoi terikam jong kene ke Sarkar. Ya kene la keno da kawai keseng bhalang kabana rilum jantia ha kejing ya kendo bagi nong pathai kubor ha ka praterik menta unai luar arhajar arpuar ha Shillong Press Club. Ha kejing kendo bagi nong pathai kubor ha kene kesngi kinong elam jong keseng East Jantia National Council hapo kejing elam uba sambor mi lingdo kumu president kila keno bagi Sarkar MDA kalale asiliang kemat bad ia kun swet ekathan East Jantia Hills Haki babon ki benta kamtam hakaliang kejing dan kam kilat Sumarpang ki jaka pulih bajanai bat ki wei deki kampen roy. Kinongelam jong keseng EJNC kilong ba hakasnam arhajar arpo. Kila dep dawa teng nak Sarkar Jela ban Penteri Kampurano ya ki artli ki residential school bat ke teachers training center ki baladan rupa Haiz Jantia Hills. Hendrai hedok menta ke Sarkar kam shimla ngap ikene kejing dawa. Kat bash ki wei pat ki distrik ki kampen roy ke layat Chaprang. Hal kebedai berkesurok jong kisau teli kisnong jong ke ilaka Sumer ke belas New Palat. Kesurok ke bapeniaso ke kisnong Saipung, Nong Kle, ke ba kila dawa maramot aduk kesenam arhajar arpo. Hendrai Sarkar kam shimla patiau. Kawai pat kesurok ke kesurok ke bayak lengba kisnong Pala, Kse, Mokenor, bat kisnong Ka'nar. Ka EJNC kila dawa maramot aduk kesenam arhajar arpuwei. Bat ya keniru ke Sarkar kam shimla patiau.
Ngiai ba menteri rang ba jongi ukon rat sangma ula play pat ba ya ka M8 bat ka girl hostel hapok Garo Hills bat pelat ru haduk kumba khatpra point not sau crore ka skim langba ka supporting capital development project. Hendrai ka bapen ngausi yang ipat baya kita ki arteli ki residential school bat ka teachers training center kene ka Sarkar kala shui kunswet bat kala i yingja ya kita ki building bala adapte te kabaar kumban banbeng keju bahagine kisngi hauni bunai balalet nakaliang menteri rangba ula pelat haduk kumbasan phukrur ke skim nak benta ban marmot ya surok jongka Raja Bala Garo Badha langba ke skim jongka North East Special Infrastructure Development Scheme NISID hang neru ngikwa ban penpau bagi EJNC nadu senem arhajar arpeu ngila penpau syaka Sarkar Jela ya ke jing sniu bat ya ke jing sniu pelat jong surok bat ya ke jing ki ba ki nong shong shnong jong ke Thain Sumer khamtam ki sau shnong ki ya kendu na kapor syaka por haden ke jing ya rally ke jongi na kaliang u MLA ke Thain uma shitlang pele ula pensngeu ru ya ke ne ke ju ke jing hapo ka ying darbar thauan ha arhajar arpuwei por belong ka budget session. Hendrai ke basngausi kalong ba hadu menta menne ke Sarkar kadang le matla bat kadang le kelut yakini ke kimat jing dewa ke bakaseng kalabu akhmat ke Sarkar. Tang kataru nadu usnem arhajar khatsan kawena kiseng bahalang napo rilum Jantia ka Jantia Student Movement JSM kala dawa na ke Sarkar Jela badai ban wanra no ya ke Government College hapo East Jantia Hill District. Hendrai ke Sarkar ke shulak menti bat ke susngap ya kene ke jing dawa jong ki pat ba bat jong ki seng napo East Jantia Hill. Ni penpau ya ke jing Persha bat ke jing Snaudiau halor kene ke jing le Kunswet bat ke jing Ben jong ke Sarkar ya ke distrik ke jongi khamtam ya ke East Jantia Hill District. Ke Sarkar ke don daki pelat sepak kelur ki skim ban pentrekam hapo Garo Hills na benta ke development jong ka Tegatan. Hendrai bale kene ke Sarkar kamla ban pun urlong ya kini kimat jing dewa jong ka distrik ke jongi khamtam hakabedai bat ka residential school ka teachers training center ka government college bat ru ban sanction ya ke skim na ka benta ban maramot ru ya ute usurok jong ka Thain Sumer uba penisok seduk sa Saipung Nong Kle bat kumta terter.
Kalong ke jengja ke besngau thamula bada kino hikai hadok ki kimeki kpa kin mi pat ba bandawa na ke Sarkar ban penkendriano ke principal jong ke school Sarkar kebala pau tang ha ke Jela hendrai wat sabar ke Jela rukum jo kani kelaja ha ke school Pine Mount ke badan ha ke genong ba Shillong kaba le si kan long ke jengja ke besngau le ran ban tip sedaki beriau ki banabar jong ke Jela ki kimeki kpa jong ki kena school ke Pine Mount ha ke nyau terik nai luar arhajar arpuar kelum hakmat jong skol ban ajing kersana ke jingdawa kini kai bandawa bai kong ayom kesiar dingdo bei demen herskino kum ka principal kini ki kimeki kpa kilepen pau ke skol Pine Mount kalahiar habar kiliang hapo gejing peniat jong ke principal bat kidap de gejing sosi hapo ke skol kamdan satya ya ke jakalet bar ki bakhuit basuba kini ki kimeki kpa kilalit banjurip dalade ki jakalet bar bat kila syam bakilong ki bajabo bat ki basmai utung kebala penlong ru ki kena skol bakin kiar bandet cabar hapo skol relat no tang haki kep ki bamban sesho ki penan kami hipan khana jong skol kilong bahagi snam ki balalet ki dapen snow ke jing ke bagi kena akan thai kilamat kamtam habadan ki kena skol belayo ke jing pang UTI Henry haduk mentah kini kipan kana skul pain maun ki jabok bagi semai utung bawat ke umru kemudian satya. Kili itu bagi dan kikimi kipa ki balap skul bagi kun joki bat kila palit skul no shaway.
The government to kindly look into this matter. We really need to, to bring a changes because small children are there, and then the issue of toilet is really the main cause here, because many of the children, they are facing so many problems, and school is their second home, so without a proper toilet, without a proper hygiene, so.
For myself, for my daughter, I'm concerned about my daughter because see, if the toilets are very dirty, so the whole day she doesn't go to the toilet, then health issues arises. They don't want to drink water because they don't want to go to the toilet. Some children have suffered because they get UTI also because of that. So mainly it concerns their health also, no? The students' health, the children's health. So if the sanitation is not good, imagine the health, the condition of the students also. So mainly the complaint is about the toilets because it's affecting them a lot. There's no water. If they want to go, there's no water. So how can they, there's no water in the school. Water should be provided, right, in the toilets. There's so many toilets but without water. So how can they go? The classroom situated near the toilets, they stink. And the class teachers they have to spray room fresheners, which is also not good for the children, the small kids, especially class 1, class 2 kids. So everything, all these issues we have brought up when they call us for parent-teacher meeting, we've told them, but nothing has been done till now.
Kikmi kikpa kiloong batang suslap ko gajau kelentiyat bat poirus ki kamera kelas. Nalor kania wat akajaka pulih komputer ru ki babun ki core komputer kelas neo bat amdan wifi bat kania kelakta bahai kejinyo jingkai ki kena. Bat akani kajaka ru tang suslap ko kapoi shaduk ka kamera komputer bat bunsin ka skol kam judan ke boarding elektrik.
I'm here right for 11 years, Means my eldest daughter was here, she passed out. Then now my other daughter's here, she's in class 11. The major problem we face is the bathroom, right from when she was small up till now. But this year itself, when she's in class 11, the problem which I face is that when there's rain, the water enters the classroom from the RAM itself from 11-12. And they could not take classes when the water enters the classroom. So that's a problem. We already talked with the teachers. They said that we have to talk with the principal about it. But up till now, no initiative is taking place. And plus my daughter said also that there's no electricity in the classroom of 11-12. That's the main problem also. When there's raining, it's dark, they have to go without electricity in the classroom. That's the main problem for 11-12, and even for the smaller classes is the bathroom. The bathroom problem and the cleanliness of the school. And being a Pine Mountain girl, it was so clean during our times. Even my elder daughter was here, it was clean. But now the condition, you have seen yourself how the condition is, it's not clean. Then the classroom is so dusty. I don't think so. The sweepers sweep every day. The children, in the morning when they come, they have to dust their own places. Before they sit down, they have the dusting cloth, and before they sit, they have. And it's also the classroom is congested. Before, the classroom is meant only for 35, 40 students, but now around 50 plus are sitting in one classroom. It's congested. And we have talked with the principal so many times also. But up till now, no initiative has been taken place. So that's why we saw the teachers are protesting yesterday. So today we as parents also, we have our grievances. We supported them because it's the same issue what the teachers are facing. Even we parents are facing the same problem. When we want to meet the principal also, it's very hard for us to meet her.
Ini ke skrin yo komputer la dunia ke skrin yang ba Vincent Pala. Fi ka hall iwan inaugurin ni. Dai atu ka por la don ke almari ke dan ke projector ke dan ke screen. Nata kadang suka sudi bakal ada motor nata dengan inspect dan suka tu nata. Nata wat ka wifi yang di sutur ba kamtrekam. Mal tinggal kena kita nak akses ke komputer kita kam wifi kita kamtrekam. But umumnya jingtip na kumba kita naik ke tele komputer na kita dari kilong functioning tang ba khatwe tele. Tentang ni kali ni kini hingga kita ni bilik kemudian kibun kena kita apa share ke komputer kabu jing ni kena mata ini dan kam terkawai students dan kawai hendak tentang dia share komputer dia kata kalong komputer nak hendak
kidi bandan lah this all computers kidi bandang function ni baru lagi pula kan lagi puai ni dah dosa pun kan badan jadi lam mentah ni kim terekam tengam tip ke future dun kana berbuat pada kan nak teknologi kita ke jenang di start kali electronic media hari ipe beda bagalong kumni kalau specific kan dak iya sekolah balang saya condition kumai minta pintu kendra ke baga jadi nak kendra korupsi classroom tu komputer kelas kali bandang ke buat should be dry every day pindah ini nang ni ada staff betul nang ni garung bisa satu komputer lab kabun bisa classroom kita kalau kami kenal sih jadi kenal anda korban staff kan dalam kelas kan dalam kelas punya kini song ni kini kira ke umne kini perkhati ke jengpuli ni kini berapa ke baga bola pulang kami kenal sih kan melong ke sekolah mana
Kikime kikpa kiloong bagi jusiau ya kijing siau boper nrei haba pet pat kijing long jengman jeng skul kelanang jot bat kam shimladan setia kanu no kijing maramot gi bor peniat jeng skul na kebentak bahak kamiat gi kena kentai iba pulih ke skul pain maun Kikime kikpa kilapen pauru kijing lengo bahak kapor bakilit siau go bai skul bat kiwe kijing siau ki haban siau ki lain ne sautlik account jeng skul bat kane kalapen kul mare ki na bakim yo ban siau bet hakawe ka account bat amla ban ngoto balai ke skul kedan bon tili ke account bat lapenan kam hakano kedor rekan ka pisa haba ka skul kam dan setia ya kano ke jingkela
ke jing ong jong ki bobon ki pa ki ong ba ya ka fees ki hapakin siau ya kata ka ban pen bahaya ke skul
Yes.
ya ka pisa sim kan no bat haka sistem pila ban pakai
It's 2,400 we have to pay for the development fees. Then the computer fees 600 it's separate. We have to pay for that.
ka yo ko jing ong ru ba ka skul ka maintain ko santuli kita ki bang account ka dik sa ba ki pa khanjat ngot khablet thap ka account ka ba khanjat ngot khablet thap kita ko pat ki account.
Yes, that's true because I've got that means I have to pay this class 11 in 3 accounts. I've got 3 slips with 3 different accounts. Then some parents also said that they have different accounts. So my one is with 3 accounts. I have got with 3 accounts.
Kikime kikpa kiloong baga skul kadika yang ke baar jeng ki kena skul nreki dapat ke jeng sosi banalor ke jeng bambiang ke jaka letbar ne ke jaka pule nreki kena kim donru ke jaka yele akai ke babiang bagi nele akai namar baga madan jeng skul kadap satang do uplang ubahe bad shimladan setia ki ba di uplang ne ban pen bahai ke madan yele akai nalor kani klietho bawat ik auditorium jeng skul ru shim lapnan kam setia bad kani ke jaka kalasa kongreng bad kelalong kum ke yengja Ilong ru bawat eka library ru la pendu no bat pen kelapat eka syaka kamera kelas bat kelabu ha kejing yaki kena skul.
Mostly the ngamju you the principal isu don pada long kabiang hi tambah ngimju da khamya keran than mah ban ong hadu kata-kata te ngimla ar ban ong namar ba ngimju da khamya dan than in contact la nyos tang da don kam
Batai ya ke jing ka ba phima kum kena skul ro ka pain mo.
Kijing kibun hi kijing tang ba ningkong sha tang ka faculty sha jang ka school kum ki khana ka ki toilets for example hi dan kam ki toilet ba khoi amar ba dekim khoi ki toilet kijing pang ki babun te ka umru ting ting kam don but ki babun ki activities kum ki students ki ko ban participate henre babun ki por pat ting ting dingi sha invite ting ting ngimyo ban len ane bokum kita ki bun ki jing mo bingi yo
junior section ki meet ki ba ting ki ba kono ki classroom ro I think recently shani in this building yes we do get new tables tambah shate shwe patang am try because nado class KG class tan tangam try la yo new tables and chairs it's always been the same
ka wait ka ba mien do ta de ba ka kambyang reki hooks ki jong ki jing khang kim long dia kerja ing ju khut bhai ka toilet ta ka de ka wei ba kambyang ra it's very bad the condition of the toilet especially sha junior side kum ta henre non complain henre ban ong bikin pet hi dala dia ban ong ban check mo whether kambyang na kambyang ru ju da kham don kum kata but ki shuki ki bingi shong teng ki dan ki bala mi ki break ye telong kum kita bon amju ngim juda kham yu kan begin one repair kum kita
Kai ka daw ki bon gini ki kena skul lagi kim tra ban ile kai ke komandan
ka badan
han karon teng komandan
ketika feel kat kum gajing pet minta tengah kum ba ka kishna te ngisi pendan kami ketika madan tang baban ong bakan biang hadu kata-kata ru kambiang hi pada just for now tengah iba ki dang shna te takada bon ki lej reste na mar kadang keti kadang e
Ki kemi ki kpa ki long babon sien ki kemi lenti ba ki kena skul ki mdai ban plek jumut tek tang ha kajung pule ki kot nrai ki dai ru bandan ki lat ban sei ki sap ki phong jong ki ha ki we ki banta nrai ka besngusi ka long bakane ka skul po kajung paniat jong ka principal ki kena kim yo bani shim banta na mar labon snam ka skul kam jupen long show ka concert ni kinu ki program ki bantai ki kena skul.
The lack of exposure that we get as students, we do not get as much exposure as we should. And the facilities of the school are also not provided as people would expect we should be getting from a government school especially. Yeah, and whenever there are like inter-school activities or any of that, we do get to go, but then it's always our school that lack participation. And even in school when we have activities, these past few years I've been in Paramount, we haven't had activities the entire year. It's always once in 3 years, and the last time we had concert was 2015. We haven't had concert ever since, and it's really sad because I mean as students we want to participate in these activities before we pass out from school, but we don't get that much.
Kikimi kikpa kila keno baga skol kala hiarbha namar ka jing bam kit kya ki bor ki kimi bat kila persang bani kendo ke principal ban penpau kini ki baro bat kim jo lat setia bani kendo bat ki la lej ai da ka jing tho ke sarkar jela bakan tuklar lem ndri ki bor sarkar kem shimla le ai kembal penlong sindan ki no hikai ban penlong da ka jing ki na ke benta ke bha kamiat jong ke skol bat ki ar hajar ngot ki khna kan thai ki bopule ha kini ke skol laru ban ong beleng ba ke jing ki no hikai skol da ka bara alamayong kala pen kendet ki kimi ki kpa bagin mi ilang syakmat ban pen snor ki jing e jong ki khna skol.
But our main objective is stepping down of the principal. Stepping down. Our main demand is that stepping down of the principal.
Halor kini ki jingja pok skol pain maun. Ke sarkar jela ha kanyo terik unai lor ar hajar ar puar kelathungnya ke kenhun toket ke bandan sangut ki dikhot banti bnia aki kendrom kendram pok ke skol. Ya kini ke kenhun toket on clear secretary ke tanat puli putih ke jela ba arab thap bat kini kakan huan kan toket halor kijing ujor bat kijing uat jong kini kai skol ka pain maun bat la patha ban IT kham kloy ya ka kai phot jing toket
halor ka managing committee naklen jonga ngala bangalong president juga PTA tu sport ngalalong member juga jong managing committee bat haga jing ya kan jing ya kren managing committee naklen jong ngila persang ban pensutu I haganur kom managing committee ka de banai bagi proceedings committee ka de bandan berkarukom pada kijing don kam hapot school pada bandwara akhmat managing committee bandala approve managing committee nang tap lagi saya cekman nrei ka bososi kalong ba hadin ka tu kam ngim don jing tip isu pangga kumno katri kam managing committee bat ngisu sah ko umdum dan lapoi pada ka ni ka pot pada ba nakalian jung ni kai pada ba ki don kita ngasai ngiting tip kita ki internal issues ki bolong kumno pada nakalian jung ni kai dari lapoi pada ka pot pada ki ni kai pada ki wanra ki ra pada ki lamayong pada kapen kamera jing sosi hal bon ki kimi pa ba ki keli yengi yang balai jai ta po school te harim ran ngi so tho pre banang leng jung ki nohi kai ru kila ai kata ka jing tho sa di sarkar haga ba kila kdo shai ki jing sungo jung ki halor ka jing bom hun shu bai ni principal indan hang bai in penya yang ni ka school but ngi sungo ba ka kalong genuine ka dei kan namar ba kamdan kata general body meeting begila kerpat abon sen kamdan kata ke jing ya kendu iki no hikai begi la bani kendu I principal ban ya kren namta ke jing bahajing biat dong school ki kena school ru don ki bal ki bakwa bani kendu principal ru kim yo alat bani kendu ya principal ngatai ki don hi ki iki begi kwa begin pensngoi principal tikini ki long ba kawan ra ke jing ya pair hapadeng principal ko minong penya I school bagi no hikai and kinohi kai pada nomor ba kamdan pada kata kajing ya sutu jingmot by principal na thai ka kata pada ikna school hange pada te nga kerpat na kaliang kino punya juga yang sarkar bikin somah bikin simkhia halor kani nomor ba kamdei tang sipang jungi mi pa ni kwa tang ta jing pha jung school ri perkhat kalawi jung kini ba azar ngut khna kai haba ningi sungo ba ngingi ju ombor hi bagi kena ki samla ki di kelawi jongka jai berio jungi han reading pen he pen san ki pada kum hakan ni garukom ti kelawi ka kum do kan jungin bingi ay ki
Haswa bini kemi ki kubor ke bedangsa ngina pasyo sipor syakini kijing penmena.
Hato Fishem jing banyo khulung kumba 8.5 million ki shijur lane ki couples hapo India ki ba persang banyo khon bat yakane ki jukhot infertility sila banyo jing yarap ne ban penurlong ya ki jing pos new jongpi ya ka jingkwa long kemi khpa langba hakane ka Janitva IVF Center jongi nis dang hausnam 8,000 khatn rio hapo Guwahati bat menta iladon hangni hasor shillong jongfi state of art and assistant reproductive technology but ka kunhun ki doctors but embryologist kinsa wan ban ai jing hikai but ban pinsngau thu halor kane ka phangjong ka jinglong kemi long pa ya baro ki badon infertility problems but kibamla satya ban yokhon fila ban consult Dr. Arpita Sharma Chief IVF Consultant Janitva IVF Center Guwahati menta hasor shillong jongfi.
Hello, I am Dr. Arpita Sharma, IVF Consultant and Director of Janitva IVF Guwahati. Parenthood is a cherished dream of every couple. So, if you are trying to build a family and finding difficulties, you can share your problems with us. We'll definitely try to find a solution and accomplish your dream of parenthood. Janitva IVF will be available at your city Shillong and Children Hospital from September onwards.
Yoka jingtip company fila ban contact www.janitvaivf.com lane contact akini ki number Janitva IVF Center Shillong Jongfi.
Haswa pengini kemi ki kubor ke bedangsa ngin penken mau biang ye kimat bakongsan jong ka kubor menta ketayo. Wanra Menteri Rangba eka kaipot jing toket eka sing sedang jong ka Barsen Rai halor ka jing sya asiat yap uba ceris tefi thankio. Rai ke sarkar ban pentrekam eka CRPC bat ka CPC ha kejela. Lap ka IIT bakhalam ka dom namar balakya shabapalat. Hadin hinyo posnem menjurulat ya ka landbill jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Bampatiaw ke sarkar ke jingdawa yakhi kinohikai jong ke school Pine Mount. Bat hagrensan internet laptop jingrai ka kaitor na Shillong. Ka jela Meghalaya rengkat bat kiwai pat ke jela jong keri India kumbajule man lagasnem. Menta ka kentiru ha kesanterik unai lor arhajar arpuar kala penlong ya ke jingrakhe ke sni buram kinohikai ne ka Teachers Day ke bahandru puwei. Bat ka ne ke jingrakhe ke belalong ha kanong ba Shillong kalalong ke ba ipo ipeng. Rengkat bat keri berokowai ke jela Meghalaya ha kesanterik unai lor arhajar arpuar kala rakhe ya kesni buram kinohikai ne ke Teachers Day ke bahandru puwei. Bat ke jingrakhe ke bakam he ke de bela penlong ha usosotham auditorium da ke tenat pulih putih jong ke jela da ke basam pusnam kinohikai ke bela nok senyang melang salang bat ke jela berokowai. Menteri ke tenat pulih putih ke jela ba ala kemen remboi kum ukongsan. Rengkat ke jingiran lang Commissioner bat Secretary Ketenat Pulih Putih BDR Tiwari, Secretary Ketenat Pulih Putih Ambrose CH Marak, kila sami ki khusnam syaki khat laingot kinohikai ki belayo ek State Award, lai pulaingot ki belayo ek District Award, bat kila samru ya ka Special Award bat ki khusnam. Uba lakmen romboi ulero ek jing trishtom jokin hikai kamta magapor basa priang ka klam COVID-19. Hak bagi no hikai kila penon kam dagi kor kibor bar aji hikai kena aka jela. Bar kani kapor kam long ka basuk iki no hikai ban pen kelai kerukom aji hikai na ki kamera kelas daga baai online iki kena. Ulong bagi no hikai kila mat shibun ki jing namar ka jing bamyo renti ek tulap ka jing bamyo ti kena ka tulap bar ka sarkar kan pen ti kena ban shim kiai ki mat jokin no hikai. Uba la kemen rumboi ulong bahagi ni saus nam tam ka jingi dai jungu begino hikai kelong shipang gi baiet bat shipang pada kadon ka jing ba mis thu jingmut iwei bi iwei hendrai kam dei ka balong shimet tang ba kalong haka kam ka bagi trei nalor kani uloong bah ka jelai ki don bon kerdan kino hikai bad kalong ka ba e ban kentup lang yaki haju bad uloong bah ka kam hikai ki don kino hikai ki bele trish tam shisha hendrai omla apat ban laj bagi don ru kino hikai ki bam trish tam e ruem ya kani ke jing rakhe le pani phu i phieng ni jing roi ba jing shat ni kena jing school ba pher ka bala pen sngo tanat ya baro ki bala wan chakani ke jing rakhe ya ka sngi buram kerpang ki no hikai ka balong ka sngi ru ban kan mau buram ke singkha jong presiden barem gari u Dr. S Radha Krishnan u balong no hikai
education is not like our parliament. We are dealing with the living fires. We are dealing with the aspiration of each and every student. That in Meghalaya, we have the highest category of teachers. But Harbani just mentioned a few. But I must tell you about 25 categories of teachers in Meghalaya, not only 4 or 5. One section of teachers, they have this. Unlike the other just mentioned, why not club it together? How we club the Catholic school, the Christian school, the Balamagulay school, the school shop? It is easier said than done. We do think that this government or previous government don't try to solve it. But it's a giant thing. I'm very happy that in the last 5 years I had a love-hate relationship with this committee and hate-love relationship with this committee. But it's all not personal. It's all professional. If something wrong, and I am very open in whatever I see. We try to do, just try to, because as I said, nothing is personal, everything is professional.
Warla hadu gini gisingi ke bamenta ke jingata hilor pot usam badan jingya kaja hapadeng kajela Meghalaya bat Asam kadang kluj bha. Kamtam ke jingya penbet pot apadeng gini ki artili kejela ke badang sudap dang kendiat benai menta. Hakaba lami ke jingkan tho na ki babuan ki liang ya ke sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Hendrai menta ke kenti we urang ba ula penmi senon ka kot halor ki jing tho yo pot usam jong kejela Meghalaya. Nadu balayo la ke jong kajela ke bapura. Haka pratarik menta unailur arhajar arpuar la pelat pat ba ekakot ke bala tho bat penmi da uwe ni kenong pathai kubor ubala kamrang ba akne ka kam. Uba starving jov langpen pada akasiet ubalong ru utrai jong kala pathai kubor leng ba ke internet ke bala ai kerteng SP News Agency. Ya kene ka kot ke bala ai kerteng Meghalaya boundary ke bala pensyong nong rem ki jing shisha kat kum ke North Eastern Areas Reorganization Act syajar kandai sepanyo puwe. Laplat pat ba do senior advocate jong ke Meghalaya High Court uba VJK kenta ubala long kongsan. Ha ka jing elang ke bala long Hasilong Press Club. Rengkat ke jing dan lang presiden ke Meghalaya Editors and Publishers Association uba M Shabong, presiden ke Shillong Press Club uba David O Lat Plang mat kiwe de ke bala syakot ngobha. Habakran mat phang halor kene ka kot. Uniu nong tho uba starving jov langpen pada kasit ula batai lengkot bakadika kot ke balas pensyong nong rem ya gijing shisha halor put usam jong kejela Meghalaya kat kum gijing tho ki badan ha ka North Eastern Areas Reorganization Act syajar kandai sepanyo puwe bat ban lum thup ya kini gijing tip bagi gijing shisha kala simpor bon snem ha ka jing ya lenti jong kum unong tho kubor. Menta kesengi ngina pha shipor syakawai ka kaitor kabala i bha hagarwai bat ketem kaput kabala yat lenti menta la bon snem kabala thau bat penmi ru bon teli gijing rawai ha ka ketin English bat katokane ha ka ketin khasi hagene ka kenti kene ka kaitor kala penmi sakawai ka thup jing rawai kabala ai kerteng am ai bat kene ka thup jing rawai la pelaj ha ka rensan ka juk bamenta ban sngap ik jing rawai leng ba ka internet ka ikene ka kaitor tu gina phai shipor syakane ka khubor.
Got reasons that just can't be missed. I got bruises on my back. I got nothing but that living
Kani ka kaitor kabana kani kanong ba Shillong. Kadai kong Gwyneth Alicia Maulong. Basyong basa aksnong Kenchestres Shillong. Ibalas dang manruay na dogas nem syajar kandai spa prapunyo. Lengba kerensan jok All India Radio Shillong. Barang kani kapor leyo ru banbat ika kerdan A grade. Hagis nem na dogas nem arhajar sheneng. Iledon bentaru berkebay kakenhun tem hakabagit khot baro gede tang kikentai. Kaba kila ay kerteng mermaid.
when I reach for the dawn, and I'm losing pain, but I felt so long. I'm living again, I don't remember anymore.
Tukupor nga siyem nga ngalap gidon kina kina kantay betem betbet baban tem gita na po St. Mary's College tengala ingal apet bam ta tengay kran gen bet i kran bet i ngong how about ni dang form lang ay kana banda suki nang ta ka jeng kran ni saya lapat kibe do ka line up jang kini kinong tem ru ka time to time ka change kan pang la don betem drum kibe ko malong kibe baro ka ki bands kilong ta hi jo de kunta ti kunta tingi la yatem la long very commercially successful hi banong ka tangi tem ki jura Elvis jura Beatles jura be song shit ba kunto kita te ski pada kata kare inga ai tare one of the best years of my life kare par ko ngada to lang bat ki yatem hado men step RBG step ngi yatem or kunta
Haduk mentah ikong Gwyneth Alicia Maulong ila tau buat penmi palat chispa atli kijingruai.
Composing ngampak ju collaborate ru ngale lang ki lyrics ngathok lyrics baka jing ka tune ru ka melody. Though I'm only self-taught kan I'm a self-taught artist. I'm not a trained artist kan. Ndre kunta la bon kijingruai.
Music arrangement recording
nga kapor mga tho kata kaju kaporu ka wandur lang like it comes to shape together kan andre long do kumoi pare menta after experiencing going to the studio la let pay hapo studio ka long do kumoi ngalayo banyak keren lang but ki engineers but kumta kan ki bala kham ya thakani ka ayu ki bala tip ka kaya kuno ki jingrai through experience but arrangement ka kita ngile lang kata ngala ban ong kan kumakani mentai kani ki EP ni arrange lang ale lang bi baribor ti kintaru ni don ktilang ti di don i guitarist i betemru ti ma iru i don something to say idea to kam de tang ka jonga so it's a collective kan and a collective of ideas and arrangement ka lang kuta yang ke iki ke besyat hanga ni kare ka ngalong inspired ki ke bakta yang something that moves me ki bangam la sha is injustice ki jing sha le ben ki jing sha le le thombor ki jing le bakla ki jing le ki break bam dei ke baki ki the innocent people ki le ki break blui ndre ki sha long kumta ka injustice mo kini they draw me more than anything in and I think but ngapet ba towards I lean more towards very dark themes rukidon kilong because nganung kong parang sedang ban poetry shwa jingrai ko poi hadin mga sedang ban tho jurai haga gita kari ba por khat ngadang khat license na tho jurai po gita the poetry kala kamel lang te ngalong blend lang ken so merge lang poetry and the songs kashilong natural yang to follow that path. Natakadang I'm done that specific ayugin kata theme and ongkin. I don't follow any theme. The theme comes to me. Talaga walong kung tukong bangaruay mene kutukujuray. My generation was just observation jonga por ngawan from college, I came back home. Kaya bang i 80s, late 80s, kado di 89. Di kum kita, takam don ken kataga team wise ken.
Ladaya kran hi ke rukam penmi ikitup jeng ruai ha kejok ke badang penmi da ki kaset hado ki audio CD. Kadang long jeng mentoi ki rudan sap ban penmi yaki ha ka ba kila ban penmi na kwenta kai ka ba kila penlut ban ke jeng onong kendiat. Ndre ha kan kejok ke bamenta kam long syuk kumta.
Last night I you were standing by the shore. At 5 a.m. this morning, you came knocking on my door. You bought some cigarettes and you sat there quietly. The fire in your eyes didn't seem the same to me. You spoke about the freedom that you long to believe, things you wanted them to know, what you wanted her to see. Then you spoke about the masquerade, it's slowly closing in, a fugitive, a runaway. Why can't they let you win? Boys, don't cry at all. They must be brave and strong and tall. I just can't bear to see you so small. Boys, don't cry at all.
Yang so kalong ka jingdu bakrao actually mentana ni natu mensyua pon ngarang tho nang adon bi tak jingmun hangan perni cassette. I was from the cassette era. I was from the old school, very old school baby. Then perni cassette no dengan joke kaya kamta. Then the CD era came along. To perni CD no to kamta kan. Pani ka to kerja no serengai mentah pek se insulong isu depend ka you kan. Te ka e ba pikli fi ho ngat ngasut ho bai yung mungi di bring stang no mensyua. Everything was fair and just. Kamdon ki iru. The audition ki tape sung pi kim dei ki audition ki local people ki ha be chabang. They got long compare the system in shop mentam la shubnya.
Did you learn about the distance between the head and the heart? Or will I know that you would go like a shot in the dark? Boys, don't cry at all. They must be brave and strong and tall.
Hadian baladu ono akan jok kaset bat ki audio CD. Kendiat ka jingmi ka don hina ka benta kum kini ki kaitor. Namar lami ipat segiran san sengap jingruai de ka bapendon kam ya ke internet. Kumta ya ka ka kaitor ru kalap lelat. Namar ki hinyau tili ki jingruai jong ka tup jingruai bathamai. La pendrung ha kerensan ka belatip kum ka Spotify, ka Google Play, Apple bat ki wei de kerensan.
Just can't bear to see me so small. Boys, don't cry at all. Last night I had a dream. You were standing by the shore. At 5 a.m. this morning, you came knocking on my door.
Am I going to get right? Banga talk, don't support, banga kendu, don't give you. Ide bala don't have a rehabilitation center. The hatu kapor ite itai brio pade kashlong no ba like he came out from the rehab center and actually had a talk with me, and these lines came out from naka biyong the brio. Biyong ba na take a look at me now. I'm clean now, so. Am I, like really, am I what you're looking for? Jokingly, maybe he was saying. So somehow those lines, they got stuck. Kamakataru, about my own life, where I did find some personal traumas in my life. when I was a child and when I was an adult, an early adult, a young adult, sorry. Di rupor ka, kalau ko mga ay mensin melody, I pulled myself out of the rubble. Okay? Di kata jing siya kadika ayo bangasyo nga club lang ba kata ka jing kren jing tay ibre bami na po rehab and my own story.
Nagani ketop jingruai betemai ke balai kerteng am ai. Latau bat pen miru eka music video jang ko wei ke jingruai. Ke balai kerteng hi am ai. Yakni ketop jingruai la plat pat ba ha ke jingelang ke belalong ha ke janmiet jang ka lai terek unai luar ar hajar ar kuar ha napong syai keben halau sotun. Ha ke jingidan rekat upasta kersoi pertu. Rengkat ke jingidan lang Menteri Sarkar ubaksan borsulai. Ki bahayang bahasam jangan ka kaitor bat kinong tem nong put na keleng ka sor Shillong.
Kadai actually minta ka don phone jangan kita urban chala music. Kita ni kita label music label that supports and distributes music jungki local artists and also they tanghang ni all over India and it's a world. It is based in America kan kiri na pop America te kini kiba lap enga kiri they took over from Calcutta to kiri mana Shillong kiri kena na Shillong te maki ro kiri duo po Shillong they call them the Leo Boys matai labon balik recording iki kan kiri arngut kiri rappers cibrang kena te kini ki approach enga ki we would like to take your music forward because you're an indie artist like and OG means original so I'm the only original artist more or less of a female land. Ki de maki ki banyo na do menen ki upload maki ki long they introduce me ki distribute maki through the label ki tang UCM pinde iya kata label ka don be so ang ngala tie up ki kan hoi ka don ka revenue ki through this kan ya be through Spotify but ki platforms so it's automatic kan ka don but Spotify
te parlok da ketong ila poisha bakut jeng thup kubor jengi menta ka janmiet ngin se syam yang mat pil syam tayo haga jo kasngi bat haga jo kopor Kublai Shiboni Kapor Jongpi, Bat Tiasuk.